going to what?
Are you gonna feed through here?
Nah.
Okay. Freak.
Really?
What?
I wouldn't have guessed that scares you, buddy. People probably feed them. Where'd they go?
I don't know, but I got my video camera out.
Oh, here they are. All right.
I'm gonna catch it. Hang on, you can go throw on it.
Then we're about to pull the anchor up, or the trunk. There's a turtle right there.
Alright, watch out. Catch that dolphin there.
All right, so there's dolphins, there's turtles, there's birds.
Is that a manatee that was There's all the signs of life.
Just got a nice bump.
Might be a turtle.
Turtle on the Slam Shady.
Yeah, I think that's awesome.
No, it was a big school of jacks. Big school of jacks. Now, it was not big jacks.
Dolphin are not feeling like biting.
I think I'm about to switch out my mulligan
I would say that. I'm about to switch to my
to a Slam Shady.
I've been trying to move on this, but
Voodoo's gonna be the way to go right now. Got him.
Jack.
Voodoo was the way to go. Nice jack. Ow. Just hooked myself.
If that works, I know what I'm gonna do.
Nice little jack there.
Let's see what's a jack. Rema.
Did he?
Let me take a picture.
Huh?
Let me take a picture.
No, I did this, so I'm good.
Yeah.
Told you that was a little school of jacks over here.
Since it's jacks, I'm using the good old Seaman. Or a regular size.
Medium-sized jack.
Yeah, it's probably medium size. I think it's medium. Oh, it's a
Blue?
blue. Blue eyes also.
So I wonder if they're pushing off the sandbar and into the deeper water. I got the fight.
Shut up, Mr. Blue. The Russians. No need to rush. Can you like screenshot this?
You want me to move my pole again?
Huh?
You want me to move my pole again?
No. I can fish on this side of the boat. Just the way the boat's angled.
As I said, once we get up around this little point right here,
Oh God, that was terrible.
right there, got him.
Oh, you got it.